Hello students, today we are looking at Venn diagram and problem solving. Let's look at this example. In an examination, 18 candidates passed mathematics, 17 candidates passed physics, 11 candidates passed both subjects, and 1 candidate failed both subjects. Find 1. The number of candidates that pass mathematics only. 2. The number of candidates that passed physics only. 3. The number of candidates that sat for the examination. Now, let's try to solve it. In an examination, 18 candidates pass mathematics. So the number of candidates that pass mathematics, they are 18. 17 candidates passed physics. Those that passed physics are 17. 11 candidates passed both subjects. So those that pass both subjects, that means they pass mathematics and they pass physics. So it means you are talking of number that pass mathematics intersection physics. We are having 11 students. And 1 candidate failed both subjects. So that means the candidate did not pass mathematics and did not pass physics. So when you are writing that one, it means those that did not pass any of the 2 subjects. So that means the mathematics union physics complements. Those that did not pass any of the 2 subjects, mathematics means mathematics union physics complement. We have only 1. So if we try to draw the Venn diagram here, so this first circle is for those that pass mathematics. This second circle is for those that pass physics. And we were told that 11 of them passed the 2 subjects. So those that pass the 2 subjects are inside this circle that intersects. Now, 1 person did not pass any. Though this one person is not in mathematics and not in physics, so it means those that mass union physics complement, that one should be outside the 2 circle but in the box. So that's outside the 2 circle. Now to now know those that pass mathematics only, if we have 11 students passing mathematics, 18 students passing mathematics. Out of this, some of them pass physics. Then we to know those that only pass mathematics, we are going to subtract those that pass the 2 subjects from it. So that will give us 18 minus those that pass the 2 subjects. So 18 minus 11. 18 minus 11 will give us what? 18 minus 11 will give us 7. So it means 7 students passed the 2 only mathematics. Look at it. 7 students passed only mathematics. 11 students passed the 2 subjects. So to now know the people that pass mathematics, they are to be 7 plus 11, which gives us 18. So to know those that pass mathematics only, just subtract those that pass the 2 subjects from the total number of students that passed mathematics. So that one will give us the number of students that pass only mathematics. Now we were told that 17 students pass physics. Now 17 candidates passed physics. Now it means that out of these 17, some of them also pass physics. So out of them, we are having 11. So to know those that pass physics only will be what? Those that pass physics minus those that pass the 2 subjects. So minus 11. 17 minus 11 will give us 6. 17 minus 11 will give us 6. It means 6 students will pass physics only. So those 6 students will be outside here. So in this circle here, so those 6 students pass physics. Now, we are also told to look for the number of candidates that sat for the examination. To know the number of candidates that sat for the examination, that means you look for the number of candidates that passed only mathematics, number of students that passed both mathematics and physics, number of students that passed only physics, then number of students that did not pass any of the two subjects. When you add them together to give us the total number of students that sat for the examination. So number in the universal set before those that number of students that pass mathematics only plus number of students that pass both mathematics intersection physics, then plus number of students that pass physics only plus those that did not pass any of the subject. That means mathematics union physics complement. So we have 7 students passing mathematics only plus 11 students passing both mathematics and physics plus 6 students passing physics only plus only 1 student that did not pass any of the two subjects. So when you add it together, 7 plus 11 is 18. 18 plus 6 will give us 24. 24 plus 1 is what? 25 candidates. So it means 25 candidates passed sat for the examination. So for the work practice, number 1, an hotel contains 40 persons, 18 of whom are eating rice, while 17 are eating beans. If 10 persons are eating rice and beans, how many persons are eating neither rice nor beans? Number 2, in a technical secondary school, 45 students study carpentry and 17 students study blacksmithing. Of these, 6 students study both carpentry and blacksmithing. Find out how many students study either carpentry or blacksmithing or both. Number 3, in a restaurant, there are 50 persons, 20 of whom are eating yam, while 21 are eating beans. If 15 persons are eating yam and beans, how many persons are neither eating yam or beans? Number 4, in a party for 30 young children, 12 were served Coca-Cola drink, while 14 were served Pepsi-Cola. If 9 children were served Coca-Cola but not with Pepsi-Cola, find the number of children served both drinks. 2, the number of children served at least one type of drink. 3, the number of children not served any of the drinks. Then number 5. In a survey was carried out on 40 travelers. 12 of the travelers said they had traveled to Ghana but not to Cameroon before. 8 of the travelers claimed they had traveled to Cameroon but not to Ghana before. 10 of the travelers said they had not traveled to any of the two countries before. Draw a Venn diagram to find 1. The number of travelers that had traveled to both countries before. 2. The number of travelers that had traveled to Ghana before. Please ensure you like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Thank you.